It's a new season, time to declutter. I'm starting with my phone. Hi, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. If you're not a radio subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications. You know, every few months, it's a good idea to declutter. I like to declutter my purse, my wallet, my desk, my closet, go through, clean out things in the house, donate a lot, put some stuff on Poshmark and eBay. But one thing I kind of neglected for the past couple of years was my phone. You know, I found out every time I was looking for an app, it would often take me several minutes to find it. I had so many and they were so disorganized. I counted, I had 8 pages of apps. Time to declutter, to customize. I'll show you how I did it. Did you know that decluttering activates the law of attraction? One of the easiest and most effective ways to effortlessly attract something new into your life is to create some empty space. If you feel stuck, tackle a pile of clutter in your house. Throw out something you no longer need or that no longer applies to your life. In fact, throw out lots of stuff and do a real clutter clearing, and I guarantee that you will start attracting all sorts of great things into your life. The vacuum concept is one of the laws of physics. When you remove clutter, you create a vacuum for the universe to fill with all sorts of blessings and new abundance. However, even when you do a major declutter, it's easy to overlook your phone. Yet that is often the most used tool for creativity. Clutter can cause your energy and your mind to be blocked. So yesterday, I did a major overhaul. First, I decluttered, then I redecorated, spruced up with some new widgets and organizational tools available with the iOS 14 upgrade. Today I'm going to show you how after installing iOS 14, I was able to streamline and customize the home screen on my phone. Yep, I counted 8 pages of apps, 170 total. So first thing, I went through and just deleted the ones I didn't use. The next step is to categorize the ones I do use into folders. To move the apps and rearrange your screen, simply hold down any one app, and then you press where it says Edit Home Screen, and that way all of your apps become movable. If you want to create a folder, you simply move one app on top of another app, and a folder will automatically form containing those 2 apps. You can then move other apps with a similar theme into the same folder. I created folders with themes like lifestyle, finance, restaurants, travel, retailers, entertainment, photos and video, groceries. You can rename your folders anything you like. This makes all of the apps so much easier to find. After you've created folders and organized your apps, the next step is to download iOS 14. To do that, you simply go to your Settings app, then click General, then Software Update. As I've already updated, it says your update is complete. When I did it, all I had to do was follow the instructions to download and install. If you'd like to change your wallpaper, it's very easy. Open Settings, scroll down until you see Wallpaper, then press. You can select several prepared offerings or any image saved into your photo file. I decided to go with the soft beach photo that I took myself. The next step is to download the app Widgetsmith. This app allows you to create widgets for your home screen in 3 different sizes. Let's start by installing a medium widget. The default is the date, time, month. I like that. So let's do one of those. Now you can edit it. You can select the style. You can select your font. Let's pick the Futura one, I think. Tint color. That's basically the color of your font. A lot of different choices, but I think I'm going to stick with white. Then you can pick your background color. There's also the option of a border. Basically, just play around with it, have fun with it, experiment with creating different widgets, and then install the one you like best. Now let's install your widget and organize your home screen. It's very easy. First, you hold down any app and click where it says Edit Home Screen. Then you click a plus sign in the top left corner. Before you get to your apps, you'll see some sample widgets by Apple. I think I'll try one of these as well. Let's click on this one that says Weather. As you see, that widget has been placed on my home screen. Okay, now I try again, edit my home screen, scroll all the way down to where it says Widgetsmith. First, I'm going to install a small one I created off camera. This one just has photos from my cats folder. I like looking at my cats. Now I go back, edit home screen, open Widgetsmith, and on to the medium app I created, the medium size widget I created. Click that and add it to the screen. You can continue to move your widgets and apps around until you get it exactly the way you like it. You know what? After playing with this for a little while, I decided I want to make a few more changes. I decided I didn't really like this Apple widget taking up so much space on my front page. So let's move it to the second page. And I'm going to create a new small widget for my home screen. So I open up Widgetsmith. I click on Small Widget, and you scroll through all the different options that you can do. You can do fitness tracking, your number of steps, photos. I think I want to do custom text. So I'm going to select my font, my text color, my background color, and then what do I want to say? I think I'm going to use one of my favorite quotes by Emile Coué. Okay, we've saved. Now let's add to the home screen. Okay, now the widget that comes up is the one showing pictures from my cats folder. So I hold that down, I click on Edit Widget, and then I go and select the one that I want to use. I'm going to continue to play around with the icons a little bit, and let's see what I come up with. I'm liking it for now, but I can always change it again. By the way, I'd love to hear from you. Have you been using iOS 14? What do you think of it? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.